To assemble your QwikLOK, you will need the base, slide assembly, handle guide, handle seal plug, rear seal plug, cover plate, locating bushing plugs, your accessory of choice, in this case the dual station machinable jaws, fixed jaw mounting screws and plugs, and the tools provided, swivel handle, T-wrench, and screwdriver. The base is symmetrical. The orientation of the slide assembly determines the front and rear. Align the slide assembly such that the center of the screw is aligned with the center locating bushings. Finger tighten the third hand mechanism. Slide the handle guide and handle seal plug in the front of the base. Place the rear seal plug. Position the cover plate such that the base's rear locating holes are exposed and the cover plate's blind locating holes are face down. The locating bushing plugs can be used in the center locating holes when using a single station accessory or in the rear locating holes when using a dual station accessory. Hook the movable jaw, ensuring you are pushing back and down. Snap the movable jaw into place. Repeat this action for the front movable jaw. Place the center fixed jaw. If machined, ensure that the orientation to the movable jaws is correct. Using the T-wrench, tighten the fixed center jaw screws. That's it! You are now ready to use your system. For more information on your QwikLOK, call us at 724-772-1644 or visit QwikWorkholding.com.